Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a summary of findings in research. First, clearly define your research's main objective and the questions it aims to answer. Then, meticulously review all your collected data, paying close attention to significant results. Group related findings together to identify overarching themes and patterns, which will form the backbone of your summary. When structuring your summary, start with an executive summary that highlights the most crucial outcomes. This provides a quick overview for your audience. Organize your findings logically, perhaps by each research question or by emerging themes. Employ clear headings and subheadings throughout to enhance readability and guide your audience through the information effortlessly. Your summary should include both quantitative and qualitative insights. For quantitative data, use precise numbers and statistics to convey your results accurately. When presenting qualitative findings, incorporate illustrative quotes or examples to add depth and context. Always discuss the broader implications and significance of your findings, explaining what they mean for your field. Before finalizing, refine your summary by ensuring the language is clear, concise, and free of unnecessary jargon. Double-check the accuracy of all data and interpretations to maintain credibility. For presentation, consider incorporating visual aids such as charts, graphs, or tables. These can effectively communicate complex information and enhance the overall impact of your research summary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.